back to our new Police vs. Bikers episode. In this episode you will see some of the angry and some cool cops. We hope that you will like it. So, sit back and enjoy. Let's start. This biker got pulled over for lane splitting at the wrong side of the road.
How you doing? Sorry about that, brother.
I want to help keep you alive here.
I know.
Passing
I'm sorry,
on the
brother.
right's not legal.
Yeah, I know. I'm very
Passing
sorry.
in between is legal.
I know.
Multi-lane.
I know. It's stupid. Very stupid.
Very stupid. You got no room.
I was just in a rush, brother. I'm sorry.
I know. Do you get your license on your registration?
I actually don't.
Do you have a license?
I have a permit. I have a valid permit, right? But I don't have it with me. I was on my way to work right now.
Why'd you pass me?
I was just in a rush. I didn't want to get stuck on the, because I seen one guy fly off the edge right there on
so
the.
You're doing it.
No. I'm sorry, brother.
Right?
I don't have an excuse.
On you?
I have my permit, but I just don't have it with me.
But you have a license on you?
I have my ID. I have my ID with me.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, let me get it for you, brother.
So you're just learning how to ride, right?
No, I've been riding for years, brother.
How come you have a permit?
No, I just been riding on a permit. I work all the time, so I haven't taken off the time to take the test.
I get you.
That's all. Here it is.
Luckily, this officer was a cool one, and he let this biker without a ticket. These bikers thought that they found hidden place for doing donuts, but little they know, they were watched by police.
Honestly, you guys just take like a 30-minute break or whatever, and that way nobody hears you for like 30 minutes. This is private property. Do what you want. Just smart, okay?
Yes, sir.
Highway.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, just shut it down for about 30 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
You're not hurting nobody.
Yeah. I appreciate it.
Right here at this place, all right?
Appreciate it, man. All right, guys, we hung out for a little bit, but we're bouncing out of here.
This is gonna be an interesting ride because last time we rode, we got pulled over. So pretty much they basically told us we can't ride on the main street, but then they also said, be careful of county, we don't know their laws, so don't get caught by them. So most of the roads we ride are county, so we don't know what their laws are, because pretty much right now we are not fully legal. We are registered with OHV, off-highway vehicle, and have insurance. We're pretty good on that aspect, but yeah, let's play that footage really quick. Guys. This is Cardiff Police Station. Uh-oh. To you? How's it going?
Do you all have licenses?
Yeah?
Insured?
They're insured?
Proof on you?
On my phone,
Know
yeah.
the rest of the rules for driving in the town of Silver?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What are
Like on these?
they? On these, what are the rules? Where can't you go on these? You can't go on Main Street unless you're crossing Main Street. So it's a highway, so you can't travel east or west on Main
Okay.
Street. Only these roads. Only the side roads. You have a way to pull up your insurance as well?
Yeah.
As long as everybody can pull up their insurance, you can obviously see
I didn't know that part.
you're registered. Technically, you guys are currently in violation because you guys don't have
I can pull my
turn signals,
Yeah, right now we don't, but once we get the titles.
brake lights, headlights.
Yeah.
Because then you guys can do.
Yeah, we're gonna be mounting them. He already has the brake light switch, and then we're putting a LED bar up here for lights. So these are our second supermotors. The last ones we got all set up, but then we ended up selling them.
See 'em. I just want to know what you guys have.
Yeah, for sure. That's mine.
Sweet. As of right now,
You bought them together?
you can only ride these.
Okay, for sure. So we live on the other side of the river. Can we?
It's gonna be a violation.
Really? Uh-oh.
Until you guys get registration, you ride it on that way.
How do we get home? Don't really have a way for someone to come get us.
If we see,
Can we walk them?
we see you, we're gonna take you for it. Put it that way, okay?
Okay.
I'll take care of it.
We're going
Okay.
in the opposite direction.
Okay, cool. Sweet.
I don't even know county's rules, so don't get caught by them.
Okay, sounds good. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for being so cool. Yeah, you guys have a good one. Yeah, always. I'll get out of you guys' way. Dally, scoot your bike over here. So we're kind of scared. Hopefully we didn't get pulled over because we don't know what'll happen this time. We can't turn left. That's illegal. But so is wheelies. Wheelies? Yeah, but right next to all the cops. Where are cops? On the highway. What are they gonna do? Jump off? Hey, stop that. Dally, that's a cop to the left. Cop to the left. Oh snap, let's turn around. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, I'm turning around. Oh shoot! Turn around, let's go, let's go! Ah! There's nothing he can do except for turn around on the highway and call us in.
Group ride got wild after cops decided to join in. Check out what happened next.
Come on, figure out where you're going, dude. He just kicked this door shut. Yeah, are we gonna move or are we just gonna sit here so they can come tackle us or something? I'd like to. Okay. He just keeps opening. Okay, now he's talking to him, I guess. Oh, now she's getting out. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Oh, oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, everybody run! Oh, oh my gosh! Everybody run! Run for your lives! Man, I don't know what the hell going on, dude.
Guy who was following in the car runs from cops and jumps onto random biker's bike. We still don't know why he was running from cops.
Bro, and made a decision to just hop on your shit, and I'm really sorry from the bottom of my heart, but please understand that the city was already hot from the whole ride itself. So, you know, I'm just tired of people blaming me for the whole situation, because if you really pay attention, the bikes were already opening the doors. So I just like added on to it with my dumb.
Mate. How you going?
Good, thanks.
You got my license?
No, you're right.
All right.
Brett, she comes to Permission Police Station.
Yep.
Have you had anything to drink in the last
night?
night?
No, not at all.
So I now require a specimen of breath for a breath test.
Yep.
By my requirement, I now direct you to blow directly and continuously through the mouthpiece of this device.
Yep.
Told to stop by me.
Yep, no worries.
Do you understand that?
Yep, yep.
Keep on. Yep. Well, good. Once these guys have moved on, you can.
Cheers, mate.
You can get out this way.
Cheers, mate. Thank you.
This biker decided to mess with some funny and friendly cops. Check it out.
I'm not to cite you for unsafe lane change. No, I'm just kidding. The cameras are all pointed weird on the top of your unit.
They don't work right now.
Like on purpose? Like they don't work? They what?
It's kind of like a Google thing right now that they're trying to work out.
I don't know about you, but a camera reading a license plate has no racial or any kind of discriminatory thing, right?
Stolen cars, it's stolen cars.
If it's stolen, it's stolen, right?
No matter what's driving or what's in it.
I hope you get some of your rights as cops back in California.
We'll see. I mean, it goes through waves, man. So
Yeah.
we just gotta ride it out, do the right thing. You know?
Right. Hey, bro, you be safe, all right?
Have a good one, man.
Thanks. How's it going, brother, man?
Good. How you doing?
I'm good, man. Dude, you the first brother I seen in Santa Ana. I didn't know they had any cops like that. You know what I'm saying?
Few and far in between.
Right.
Yeah. How's it going today?
It's going good. How about yourself?
Not bad, man.
I'm just out here doing a little bit of door dashing.
Okay. Right
Yeah.
on. Oh, you got your food there?
Yeah, I got a little of my hot box here, but also got my lights on there, my flashlight, because I always run into crashes and stuff, dude.
Okay. Be safe out here.
Hey, thanks. You too,
All
bro.
right. All right. Have a good weekend.
You too.
All right, brother.
We came to the end of this episode. Make sure to like this video and also subscribe if you haven't yet. We read your comments, so make sure to comment down below if you want us to do more of these videos. New merch is added on our store, so feel free to check it out. See you in the next episode. Till then, ride safe.